told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.
Hey guys, we're back.
So we're on our way to go into Walmart to buy the stuff for our mukbang. We're doing a home mukbang where you cook and eat and answer questions.
The Q&A we post on our social medias. We did it earlier, but all the videos got deleted, so
We're gonna do it over. So I'm driving us to Walmart. So come along. So I look like a, don't mind my bonnet. I know this is like really glitzy right now. But we're like walking in Walmart right now and everybody's staring because they want to know what we're talking to. But we're talking to you guys.
Guys, we're back. We just came from Walmart.
We got our juice and everything.
We got wings. What? Buffalo.
And my favorite cinnamon rolls.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys like in 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we'll start the Q&A. She can't wait, but okay. It's
I'm so hungry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. The first question is, how did you and Kenisha become best friends?
Okay. We became best friends. Funny. It was a funny story. We was friends before in middle school, but we both had our own best friends, you know? But we went to an event. I think it was Queen Show. And damn, it's hot. Apparently, I was talking to a guy and then we fall out. And then I confronted her, we talked. And then after that, the people that was talking bad about us, we like stopped being friends with them. So after that, we became closer and closer. And now she's my best friend.
Principle of the story is, don't believe what people gotta say. Who is your man? Okay, actually, I'm single. I'm living my best life.
My man is my father. But yeah.
You funny. Why don't you want Sleepy break up?
Because he used to be running after
Chickens.
and I needed a mature boyfriend. So
he's still like in his not mature years.
Next question.
Can I shoot my shot?
Honestly, you can do whatever you want, but
That's if you make it. What is your dream car? Mine's BMW.
mine is an Audi. Black.
What do you hate about each other? Attitude.
Anger issues. It's not a hate, it's just a dislike.
Yeah. We don't hate nothing about each other.
Facts.
Just no attitude. You gotta be real strong to deal with it because she got smart ass mouth.
Next question.
How many bodies? 0, none, nada, big fat 0. What made y'all best friends? Realness, loyalty, everything. She's everything that you needed in a friend. Please. Coyote asks if it's vibes. Nah.
It's our y'all, man. You the family, no? I think it's a joke.
You single? I'm single.
Nope. If I lie, I am not single, so let me just be single.
Anybody ever broke your heart?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Recently and summer, like last summer, not this summer, last summer. So for this past year, 2 heartbreak. Two.
Life stuff.
With all the snakes around, how did you guys know it's real? You could just tell when something is real. You don't have to fake it. Like, nothing ain't fake around here.
We to be straight up. Our mouth have no filter. We just say the first thing that come out of our tongue.
So if she looks stink, Shiggy, that don't look good. That looks stinks.
I should try with our friends because
The way you guys talk about each other behind your back,
it's
that's crazy. Let me tell you guys about friends. Oh, I'll tap it Google guys. Friends. I didn't know what friends is, you know, the words friends. Watch who you call your friends because I made a lot of bad decisions in my past because of friends. The company I keep. But don't worry, this is my only friend. Like, other than Lakeisha, what feature on a guy do you like to see? I don't go for looks. I really don't. Personality, loyalty is what I really look for, to be honest. I don't go for looks like that. But you know, I can't have no ugly nigga. I don't be honest, I just can't. But like, I really do look at your personality. So if you cute and you got a good personality, damn.
I like dark skins.
What made you guys want to do YouTube? Well, we always wanted to do it. And our family was pushing us. I like to talk. I think everybody knows that. And my mouth don't get no holes,
So we just be keeping it real with you guys.
And I wanted to show people what I could do. Like, I can't really do nothing like that, but I get this alone. something. Since Kanisha came in your life, how do you feel and what do you love the most about her?
First of all, she make me happy. I don't know about her no more. Like, she just understand us. Like, she understand what's going on. Like, we just have this specific look. Like, we talking about somebody, right? We just look at each other. We bust a laugh, you know. We never got to say a word. Like, so I just love our bond. And yeah.
Of course. I'm the best friend you could ever have. Like, once I say I got you, I got you. Like, for real. Might spend my last dollar on any. Once I get, you get. Once I eat, you eat. Do you miss me? Yeah.
Yes, she's fam. Yeah, I miss you.
The next question is why I don't give each other space. We do give each other space. Just everything you guys think you guys see because we're on Snapchat together, but we do give each other space. We do. So that's it for Q&A mukbang. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that
Subscribe button.
smash that like button. And don't forget to follow us on social medias. We love you guys.